There was a study that came out recently about the top reasons that people start selling on Amazon, and then a couple reasons why people quit, why they give up. So I wanted to take a few minutes and do a video on these reasons. Welcome, Amazon business owners and soon to be Amazon business owners. This is Tim with ALGO Online Retail. There was a study that came out recently about the top reasons that people start selling on Amazon, and then a couple reasons why people quit, why they give up. So I wanted to take a few minutes and do a video on these reasons. So let me go ahead and share my screen and let's talk about them. Now, good news, there are a lot of great reasons why people start selling on Amazon. In my opinion, Amazon is the greatest entrepreneurial opportunity of my lifetime, of your lifetime. So people like you and me that are entrepreneurs, we want to make some money, we want to do our own businesses. This is perfect. So the number one reason why people start selling on Amazon is to replace their current job. Now, it doesn't mean they're going to quit their job, but they want to know how to make money on the side. They want to be able to work for themselves, be their own boss. And then if anything happens to their job, they have that income and business running on Amazon. All right, so that's the top reason. All right, second reason, remote work flexibility. So we have people that have health issues. A 9-to-5 office job is just not right for their situation, or they have parents they want to keep an eye on, or they have kids that they want to be able to work from home and raise their children, right? Or they just want a better life. So remote flexibility. Now, that's not the reason I got started on Amazon, but it is the reason I'm involved with Amazon now. All right, the third reason, curiosity. People are just wondering, hey, what's the big deal about Amazon? The e-commerce world, it's huge. Let's see if I can go out there and see how it works and make some money. And so, of course, they like what they see and they end up selling on Amazon. All right, fourth reason, to build their existing business. Now, this is why my wife and I got started. So 19 years ago, my wife had a decoration business. We took her decoration business and we got our own website. Not Amazon yet, we got our own website, and we were selling her decoration business products on our own website. Then 11 years ago, we took those products and put them on Amazon. So why? Everyone's got the same reason we do. Business owners are always looking for ways to grow their business. And so selling on Amazon is a way they can grow their business. And just about any business can do this. And if you're a dentist, you have access to products that you can get for your dental practice. And then those same suppliers can give you products to go sell on Amazon, right? So it doesn't really matter what your business is. It's just a way to grow that business. All right, next reason, a side hustle. So these are people that don't want to quit their job, but they just want to make some extra money. Their 9-to-5 job that leaves them time to do something on the side. And so this is their side hustle. Now, in my opinion, again, selling on Amazon is the best side hustle that's ever existed. All right, next one, to escape their current job. All right, so this is the group of people that hates their job. They hate their boss. They hate their commute. They hate having to go to an office. They hate feeling like they're a prisoner and they have to ask for a day off work to do this or that or the other, right? And so they want to quit their job desperately, and they see Amazon as a path to be able to do that. All right, next one, they needed money. All right, so this could be people that are unemployed. They just lost their job and they're looking for a way to make money fast while they're looking for a new job, or they're underemployed, they're not getting enough hours, or they are lots of different reasons, right? Maybe they're in college, right? Or maybe they're retired and they need a little bit of extra money. So they just need a little money, right? Next one, to explore a new hobby. Selling on Amazon's fun, right? It's fun. It can be something fun for you. And so a lot of people check it out for that reason. They want to do something new and something fun. Amazon fits the bill. And the last one, to save for big purchases. So lots of people have something that they do in life besides their job to save for summer vacations and Christmas and college funds for their children. And so they sell on Amazon. All right, so these 9 reasons, these are all wonderful reasons to get started selling on Amazon. And so as people start selling on Amazon, they see the possibilities, they make money, and they continue to scale and grow and grow and grow and grow their business. Now, here's the bad news. This is why people start selling on Amazon. A vast majority of people that start selling on Amazon end up quitting. They end up failing. They don't make the money they thought, et cetera, et cetera. And so they quit. And so let me give you the top 3 reasons why people quit according to the study. 1, FBA is too expensive. So using Amazon's warehouses so that you don't have to touch the products is too expensive. Now, in reality, it's not. But if you find it too expensive, what does that mean? It means you're doing it wrong. You're doing it wrong, right? Let me show you the second reason. Selling online is too time consuming. You're going to find me say a very similar comment. It's not. It's not. If you find it too time consuming, you're doing it wrong. There are tools that can give you access to data that makes this can be a very fast process. But a lot of people don't know those tools exist, or they don't know how to use them, and so they think it takes so much time to sell on Amazon. And then the third one, there's too much to learn. There is a lot to learn. And if you don't learn it, you end up paying too much money for FBA and spending too much time doing how to do this, right? Anyway, so here's what we do at ALGO. You've seen we got YouTube videos. You're watching one now. We got lots of others. They're all free. Go watch all you want. But if you want a 90-minute training on how to do this the right way so that you can avoid these mistakes that these people are making and ended up quitting, if you'd like to learn how to do this, I would love to teach you how. There's a link right down there. Click on the link. You'll find it. Click on that link. Get registered. Get your seat. It's a 90-minute training. Here's what I'm actually going to do. I'm going to be live. Yes, live. I'm going to go 60 minutes on how to sell on Amazon the right way, a time-tested, proven business model that ALGO has developed, and I get the privilege of sharing with you. 60-minute training, and then I'll open it up to questions. That usually takes about 30 minutes for the question and answer period. So I do this live so that I can do the question and answer period, bring all the questions you've ever had about anything to do with selling on Amazon. I'll go through the training. Then we'll do that live question and answer period. So if you want to start selling on Amazon, or if you've already started and you're having troubles, join this workshop. Click on that link, get registered, and I'll see you soon.